It's just to all the people out there getting gang stalked. Um, I wanted to make the community of targeted individuals aware of individuals that I know for a fact to be responsible in what's been done to me. Um, I don't. They moved quickly, packed up and moved really quickly when they hit me really hard with some stuff. But they're the previous owners of a Langley home, 7356 202 A Street, Langley, BC. Big willow tree in the front of the house. The big black gate that's always indicative of Masonic residence. And Yeah, this guy's works for Csis Canada apparently. He's about 6'5". He's got a brunette wife, long hair. I think four kids. I think one girl, three boys, and yeah, they were the previous owners of that address. I don't know where they've moved to, but they're still keeping up their attacks. So, what can you do? But just be aware of that if anyone's familiar with that address. That description does you justice. Maybe it can help. I don't know, but I just thought I'd forward the information. All right, good luck.